Good morning. Today we're going to look at equations with letter on both sides. Now by both sides what I mean is both sides of the equal sign. So we've got letters here and letters there. So we're going to go back to that phrase I always use. We're going to use swap side and swap sign. And what we want to do is we want to take all of our letters to the side which is already got the most. Now as you can see we've got -1 here and +3 here. So this side's got the most, so we're going to bring all the letters to the left hand side. So I'm going to bring this x over here. It's going to become plus x. And I like to do this just in one move. So what I'm now going to do is take my +9 and I'm going to move it to the other side. Okay, so x is to one side, letters to the other. So I'm going to write my line out now. 3x minus x is going to go to the other side, become plus x. The 9 has disappeared, so it equals 17 minus 9. Okay, so let's now just rewrite the line out again. 4x equals 17 minus 9 is 8. So x must equal 2. Okay? Another example. 6g plus 24 equals 3g minus 3. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to bring the 3g over to the 6g because the 6g is more, it's bigger, which means the 24 has to go to the other side as well. So 6g, there is no sign attached to this 3g, but because there's no sign, we know it's positive, so when it goes to the other side, it becomes negative. Minus 3g equals minus 3 minus 24, because plus 24 becomes minus 24. Writing that line out again, 6g minus 3g is 3g. Minus 3, take away 24 is minus 27. So g must be minus 9. And our last example, 7a plus 27 equals 10a minus 12. Okay, so what we're going to do is, there's more a's on this side, so we're going to bring the 7a across this time. So 7a is going to go over there, which means the minus 12 has to swap over here. So now what we've got is, we've got 27 minus 12 becomes plus 12 equals 10a. Now again, as I said, there's no sign attached to 7a, so we'll assume it's plus. We know it's plus because it's positive, so it becomes minus 7a. So 27 plus 12 is 39 equals 10a minus 7a is 3a. So a equals 13. Okay, that's the video for today, guys. Good luck.